Hi, Prabhanshu. Yes, sir. I'm just discussed with the support team. They will fix the problem. No problem. Okay. So that genuine questions of the others can. Yes, sir. That is the important fact. Yes, the support team is working on it. So I will proceed for the next work. Right. Akash sir, definitely I will discuss with the administration about by the Friday your questions, right? And whatever your questions, you guys, if you are asking, definitely I will give to you the answers. But today we should start this session, and suppose other any question at the end of the session, we will take that. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Let's proceed. Thank you. Hope you guys install the Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda already present there, so that you know what actually what I'm going to share you my screen, that Jupyter Notebook. Right? It's visible. What is there? Great. Yeah. Thank you. So let's the first thing, what we have to know. This is Jupyter Notebook, and I previously told you that Jupyter Notebook already you will get into where in the Anaconda. So Anaconda already installed you. Anaconda you will get, if suppose those peoples they haven't installed the Anaconda. Once again I'm repeating the words like anaconda.com. Okay, and in this website you will get, see here, individual edition. Okay, and once you get this one you will get on this one Anaconda individual download option. If suppose on the basis of your operating system you will get this. Okay, so means don't get confused about that why he is giving me like Windows, because my operating system is in Windows. If you are Linux or suppose Mac OS, then definitely you will get a recommendation on the basis of your operating system. So this is Anaconda. Once you install, definitely you will get a Jupyter Notebook pre-installed in it. Okay. Second thing, if you install Anaconda, you have to just open like a type Windows and type it directly JUPY, because already installed no. So just start with the Windows JUPY PY. You will get a recommendation about Jupyter Notebook, and once you click Jupyter Notebook, then definitely you will get this kind of page. Okay, this kind of page. So you will get a like this one, means in the browser. Browser, this Jupyter Notebook is in browser based. Okay, and now I'm clicking here. See, no sir, actually just I have said that no problem. Actually we are going to create now from, we are starting from the scratch. Yeah, see here. So we have to create a one folder here. We have to create one folder. So I'm creating one folder here on the desktop. So just I have to go here, desktop folder and folder. So go to the folder and here I have created an untitled folder here. So click again, and in this folder you have to create a new file. Okay, this one. See, if you don't have an Jupyter Notebook, you have another one option, Google Colab. Okay, already if you have means email ID and all, then definitely go to the logged in first in Google and start with the Google Colab. Type the Google Colab and it works definitely. Now I'm giving the name Python Basics. Okay, Python Basics. Again, how to select desktop on Jupyter? Yes, Basics Part 1. Okay. See, you have to just type it down. See, you have to just type it down in Windows. Okay, Windows key is there, no? So Windows and type the JUPY. I think my whole screen is not visible to you. That is why you were saying like that, right? Click the Windows and type the JUPY. Definitely you will get a recommendation of Jupyter Notebook, right? Got it? And click it down there and you will get that Jupyter Notebook on the web browser. Yes, I don't have Windows. Oh, sorry. Actually, have you installed? Have you installed Jupyter Anaconda? Okay, so definitely you will get a recommendation. You have to just uh, have to check once again because see, wait, I will share my whole screen because my operating system is in Mac. So definitely, I'm stop sharing, share screen. Okay, my whole screen is visible right now. Are you getting my point here? Okay. See here. Uh, type. See, and I'm just typing JUPY. See, I have so many options, but I will take any one of them because already I have created so many environments. That is why I already present two to three Jupyter notebooks in a particular environments. So I will take any one of them. Okay, click here, you will get a open it. See, I'm clicking here and see where it will be means getting open. Okay, see, got it. This is the way. Each of us are same class. We are supposed to see all the comments. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today we I'm thinking same, but I'm just discussing with the support, and I don't know why they are getting not solve this problem. Let's see further. Okay, so this is the way you can open the Jupyter notebook, and now I think let's start the first point. Okay, everyone is ready now. Okay, great. Let's start the work. The point of today's session, that is the main structure of Jupyter notebook. See, you can you can work as a like a complete coder or as a basic programmer, but the point is that how to handle a Jupyter notebook. See, the point is that the first thing, you can create a new file here, but when you code here, you can directly type it down, not an issue. Okay, and you can add the Jupyter notebook as cells as well. That is not a means big thing. You can delete as well cells. These are the cells, and you can add multiple cells, can remove as well, it doesn't matter. But the next thing is that what is the first step towards the Python? The first step of the Python, that is an how to add a comments and headers. Okay, how to add a comments and headers. Okay, this is the first class. Actually, yes. Previous session I have explained some basic stuffs, but we are just looking for the from start to end now. Can you explain how to create this notebook? See, you can go here. See, this is one. You have to just go here and click Python 3 because the mixed peoples now are getting here because those are not attending that previous class. they are also here. And but today we are going to cover up the so many things, and not only from the previous session, but also we are taking new things also. So don't get confused about why previously things are repeating now. Okay. The first thing, comments. Stick to the schedule. Yes, sir. Yes. First thing, we have to add here single line commenting. This is my cell, and I'm adding here single line commenting. So what kind of single line commenting? What is the means motto of commenting? You can suppose if you are doing the some coding here, and a is equals to suppose 10 and b is equals to 20, and suppose I'm doing some addition arithmetic operations, a plus b, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, a is my variable and 10 is a value. A is a variable and 10 is a value. B is a variable and B has a value of 20, right? And now I'm doing some basic operations about A plus B. So what is the basic operations? See, 30. But I'm showing you now not a arithmetic operation. I'm going to show you what is the meaning of comment. See, I want to pass the comment for this one. So I'm just passing. I'm just passing here hash, and I have to go with a is a variable. Sorry, and 10 is a value. This is nothing but comments, because comments are not considerable as a code. Comments are just a comment, just a comment. Okay, so we are just giving a reference of that particular code. Okay, the second thing, if you can add here also, means b is a variable. So variable is a small kind of storage memory. Okay, so you can pass the values there also. B is a variable and 20 is a value. Okay, this is a single line commenting. If you pass hash here, this is also become a comment. Suppose if I'm going to execute this one, definitely it will not work, because this is a comment now. If I remove this comment, then definitely it works. But if you pass comment here like this one, it will execute. Execution purpose, you have to do only shift plus enter. See what I'm doing here, shift plus enter. And suppose if you don't know means how to execute now, the second thing is here we have run option. Run, that's it, directly executed. Now how to pass multi-line commenting. This is a single line commenting, no? And single line commenting has a control forward slash. See, control plus forward slash. If you want to give a shortcut key for the single line commenting, then you have to do just, see, control plus forward slash. Okay, and if you want to remove as well, you just click once again, add, remove, add, remove. This is easiest way, right? The second thing is a multi-line commenting. Yeah, a little bit repeating, but last 4 classes. No, actually, this is my second class. I'm repeating some points because we are going to see some facts about for loop and if else condition today. Before that, we have to cover up these facts. For our group is a first class. Yeah, some of the peoples are from the first class, some of the peoples for the second class. But don't worry, now onwards, this session will be continued by me and the complete handling by me. Okay, so don't worry about the answer. Thank you. So second thing, this is multi-line commenting. Yeah, control plus forward slash makes a formula. Yes. Second, multi-line commenting. See, you have to pass it down the only triple inverted comma starting position and triple inverted comma ending position. So I have to just pass it down. See, like this one. You can pass anything. And you know what? I'm going to do some code here as well. A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 30, and print in the print function it shows the answer. Okay, so A plus B. See, 50, just showing the output. That is why the print function is works, and A plus B is there, so 50. Okay, but you know, I am adding a some part of code here, but that comes under the multi-line commenting. You can pass a single line comment as well, so like this one, and execute. See, because of I am adding a is equals to 20, you guys are thinking about why this is an 50, why this is getting a 50 instead of he is giving the only 30, because A is into comment and B is equals to 30, and this is kind of stuffs like means confused stuffs, right? So what happened here, just concentrate now on the this cell. Okay, see, I'm taking a x is equals to 30. Okay, y is equals to 50. I'm explaining you this fact, why this has happened means I'm adding a comment to line, but he is giving a 50. How it possible? Okay, so x is equals to 30, y is equals to 50, and now what I have to do, without executing this cell, I'm going to add another one cell here and print. See, and print, I have to add x plus y, x plus y. See what will happen here. Execute. See, what is the error we got? X is not defined. Why x is not defined? Because I'm not executing this one, because I have to execute. Before you execute the latest cell, you should execute previous cells as well. So if I execute this one, yeah, if suppose if I execute in the same cell, then definitely it will execute, not an issue. But you know what? If I do like this one also executed, but without getting executed by previous cell, it will not execute in the current cell. This is the factor. This is the factor. Okay. So the point is, what will be there? Because x is equals to 30 already we have assigned there, y is equals to 50 already we have assigned there, and after some time, suppose if I put like a x into y, then definitely you will get a 1500. Why this is happening? Because the code is assigned already, means value is assigned to the x already, and see here b is assigned already 30. Suppose if I do like this one, x, sorry, print x into b, who is a x here, who is a x, 30, this one, and who is a b here, see here b has an 30, so 30 into 30, definitely you will get a 900. So your value is, if you assigned once, then definitely that will be getting into the every cells that we can access by the every cell. This is the easiest work we can do into the Jupyter notebook. But this is not a fact. Now you can change the value, not an issue. This is not an part, means it's, if suppose if you once assign the a is equals to 30, and this is not like that, you cannot change the value. You can pass here b is equals to 50. See, 50, and suppose into the print, if you are doing x into b, okay, x has an value, which one? X has an 30 and b has an 50. See, 1500. This is the way you can work as. But once you assign the value, means latest value, assign value, then definitely it works, means he will access the current value of variable. Okay, so this is the basic thing. I'm just want to tell you about accessing the cell values and all, and even we have explained the comments, single line comment and multi-line commenting. But the point is, But the point is not like that. How to assign mm, tags, big tags like names and all. So see, you have to just pass it down the hash, and this is uh, data type. Okay, this is the data type. Okay, I want to add the this is the data type tag. You have to just pass it down sk plus m. See, this is the data type. This is for Jupyter Notebook cell. This is the tagline. Okay, this is the taglines. You can assign a tags here. So how I have done this one? You just have to pass hash space, and I'm just passing some string Python session and hash space Python session. That's it. And you have to add escape plus m. See, escape plus m. That's it. And once I done this one, escape plus n, you have to just execute shift plus enter. Shift plus enter. That's it. This is the way you can execute. Have you got this point, everyone? Okay, great. So you have to just escape, you have to just do the escape plus m and shift plus execute. See, you have to just hash and my name and shift, sorry, not in shift plus, escape plus m and shift plus enter. Means you have to run the cell only. Okay, you have to run the cell only. Now what will be there? See, if I after the execution, actually this is for the reference purpose. Suppose what kind of code we have, what kind of means suppose if I want to do some code after this one. See, you can do the codings. Means this is Python code, this is for loop code, this is if else code, this is kind of headings. Yes, Nishant sir, is it? Yes, it's correct. Okay, and you know what, do not add like a means big tags. You just add the hashes extra, it will be become a smaller. See, got it? The way of adding means amount of hashes you are adding, no, that much it will be become a, okay. So now the point is that variable assigning and data types. Python, see, I'm just adding the tags here. Python data types. Just concentrate on screen now, and we are going to see Python data types. Okay, this one. Any shortcut for changing value to other and previous again? Changing the shortcuts, I don't know, means changing the shortcuts. And actually Jupyter Notebook has some administrative concept. You will get a short group of shortcut keys into internet, because so many things you can do with the Jupyter Notebook. With this you can have to change the some administrative rights with the Jupyter Notebook. But don't worry, as we moving forward, no, I will tell you the step-by-step executions and how to use some kind of shortcuts and all. Okay, so let's go for that. We change it to 30 short, any shortcut to change it again 20? No, actually you are passing the values directly. If value is at 20, we changed it with the 30, any shortcut to change it again 20. Yeah, that shortcut is you have to go for the control Z only, Rahul sir. Okay. Let's go for the some data types of Python, and then we go for the some operations of Python programming. Okay. The first data type that I would like to tell you, that is an integer. What? Integer. Integer is nothing but complete numbers, values. like 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 2 3 kind of stuffs. And you know, not only this one, you can add with the values, you can go with the string as well. If suppose if I want to assign the string, then the strings are nothing but like this one, names, alphabets, and you can pass the it's kind of directly alphabets. A string is nothing but alphabets like a b c d, and there we have the float as well. Float is nothing but precisions, decimal numbers, kind of 2.2, 3.3, or 3.4, sorry, 5.5, or 6.9 something, or precision oriented values, decimal values. But the point is that how do I use these values? How do I use these values and execute the code? The most of the Python programming, we are going to use this kind of values, means this kind of data types. The point is that not only using the values like an integer, string, and float, how do we use that? Means how do we execute the code with the some values and assigning the values as well? In the C and C++, do you know we used to with that int a is equals to 20 is equals to 20, or int b is equals to 30. This is kind of work we have done in the C, C++, or any Java programming kind of stuffs. But in the Python, you can directly assign a is equals to 20 or 30. It's very easy. So you guys are thinking about how it possible, means how did he know that a is equals to 30 is nothing but integer, or suppose if I'm passing like a b is equals to 3.3 is nothing but float, how did he know? The Python has a capability to understand the data types, means he automatically detects the data types of any variable. Isn't it interesting? Right? Very interesting, because that is why the Python is easy. Those are in the field of Java, means already they know the Java, or they know the C, C++, C sharp. You know, we have to assign first data types, and then that will be applicable for the programming. But but in the when we go for the Python, he directly, means whenever you pass the C is equals to, suppose I'm passing my name here. Suppose if I'm passing the C is equals to Abhayano, then definitely it becomes the string. So you guys are thinking about how it possible, means okay, it's okay, you are saying it's okay, but how it possible? See, let's check out whatever I'm taking, whatever I'm saying, no, that is correct or not. See, print type into the bracket, you just have to pass a, you just have to pass a and just execute. See, what is the class of a? Integer. Suppose if I'm passing b, float, and c, string, means now you got the point. The data type of variables the Python automatically detects. So now it is very easy now, means data types can work, and we can do the programming easily. But the point is that if I go for the programming, suppose like this one, a is equals to 30 and b is equals to 40, okay, and if I do the programming like addition, then you know that means he gives the answer. But how it possible, how it is possible, the value that I'm passing statically here, a is equals to 30 and b is equals to 40, how it possible that we can take the value from the user, that I can take the value from the user? How it possible? This is the possible with the integer. See, I'm going to take some arithmetic operations with the float, with this integer, but you guys have to do one thing. You guys have to do, you have to do exercise on it, because whatever the examples I'm taking, no, that is very important and very easy to execute. Let's do some execution of floating values as well as the integer values, and then after the floating and integer value we are going to see the string values. The first I'm going to do examples of integer values. Let's go for that. The first thing, if suppose I want to do some additions, you can do with the integer values. This is my integer values, integer values, integer data types. Okay, integer data type. So integer data type, you can take a is equals 30, b is equals to 40, means these are the values kind of integer, right? But one more thing, if I pass here user define, means I want to take a input from the user. So how can I take these values? With input into the bracket, enter the value. See, this is my string and input is in my function to take a value from the keyboard, means value from the user. Okay, so once again I'm taking here input into the bracket, enter the value. So this is for A and this is for B. So finally I'm coming up with the presentation with, means taking the value from user. What is the fact here? What will be happen now? What will be happen? So once I execute the code, that time what will happen? The execution will take the value from the user and execute. See, this is now I'm working with the I'm working with the data type of integer. Okay, so let's see what will happen. I'm passing one value, 25. So 25, once I assign 25, that will goes into where A, and once I assign 25 to the B value, that will goes where B. See, but what happened here? 25, 25, we got here. What happened here? This is the concatenation, and concatenation will happen only on the basis of string values. My voice is audible to you guys? Is it properly? Yeah. Okay, I'm just thinking about that, because if I get out some comment, then definitely I have to think. Thank you so much. I appreciate your answers. Thanks. Okay. So now the point is that I'm taking the values from the user 25, 25, but the arithmetic operation, it should be like an 50, no, but I'm getting a concatenation of 20, 25, 25, 25. The point is that we have to check once again what is the type of that A and B. We have to check, no, means what is the data type, because we are getting the value from the user and he should do the addition, but instead of taking the addition he's doing only concatenation. So that what I have to do, I have to just execute the point. Once again I'm just passing the 40 plus 40, and same value we are getting here 40, 40, but instead of that what I have to do, what I have get here, string, means he's taking the value as a string. He's taking the value as a string. So I have to convert the value. What I have to do? I have to convert the value. So how can I convert the integer, means string value into the integer? That is, you have to just pass it down here, int, into the bracket. So you guys are thinking what is going on here? Actually, this is nothing but whatever the value that taken by the user, that will be converted into integer, means string to integer. So let's go and execute once I assign the integer values. Okay, execute 25, 25. See, 50, and finally we got an integer data type. Yes, for answer. This is correct. I think you got this point, means how do I work on this fact? means in this coding, right? Here Python can't recognize the type of, yes, he can't, because if suppose if I pass like a c is equals to 20, he can understand because he is taking the value directly from the static value. But suppose if you are passing the from means keyboard, then he will not detect that automatically. Are you getting a point? Yeah. Yes. But but the point is that but the point is that not only we are taking the value from the user and means converting the integer and all, but the point is that, see, it is okay with the integer, but when I go with the floating values, float data type, what will happen? That is the fact. Let's go and do the coding once again. I'm going to do a code, means I will take a x1 is equals to input and enter the value of x1. This is a string, okay? Don't get confused about this. So why you're passing the enter the values kind of stuff. So input into the bracket, enter the value Denisar 3070 and z is equals to tester. Print x plus y and z. Can I use that one? Is it you are thinking that can I execute here? Yes. Yes, yes, I'm just doing. I'm just typing. My fire typing is a little bit fast, but don't worry about it. I'll do so. Danny sir, I will execute your code definitely. Just a minute. Once I complete, I will execute this code. Okay. Some of you guys sharing your side of code to the chat. That is why I'm just taking you. Yeah. Yes. Whatever we type from the keyboard, Python will consider as a string. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So now I'm going to do x1 x1 plus x2 x1 plus x2. But what will happen? You know that your answer is correct now. Means what will happen? The concatenation it will happen. But what the fact? I'll pass here float. See, once show me previous example. Yes, 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 I will show. Okay, and now your answer is like this one 50. But the point is that why I'm getting the value as a 0.0 kind of stuffs. You know what happened? You are having the data type is in float. Suppose if I having same integer, this integer, then definitely you will get an 50. But here we have the floating values, no? That is why he's showing the float. Yes, yes, it because of float. And you know what? Not only I'm passing the 25 and 25, I just want to pass a sum decimal values kind of this one. See, 25 plus sorry 0.5 and 25 sorry 24 point, I'll pass 6. Okay, this is we see there's some different things. Okay, see 50.1. This is the way you have to work on it, because and you know what, it's not necessary to pass directly x1 plus x2. You can do like this also. See how I can just I do the copy here and paste it down once again, and you have to do, see here, uh, z is equals to x1 plus x2 and can pass z. See, this is the code and execute 20.5 22.5, 43. This is means you can store the value into a new variable as well. You can print us also. Are you getting my point here? Yes. Is it easy? Python is very easy. Okay. So you know what actually, this is when you spend a daily 30 to 40 minutes, no, definitely it becomes a very easy and you are going to enjoy the coding also. Okay, so daily you have to do exams, daily you have to do a exercise on it. Example 23, this one, is it, Nishan sir? Yeah. Okay, this is the way you can take, yeah. So why float take a one decimal place by default? Yeah, it is floating value. Suppose if you are passing the value kind of 30 or something, then definitely it will be changeable, not an issue. And the fact is that if you input some sort of 100 or something, then definitely it's getting 10.3 333, suppose it, the answer should be in the form of like that, but you are passing point 0.5 0.6 like that, so that is why he is giving a single line. Okay, and I will take a one example from Danny sir, and hope they are there. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is given by Danny sir. Yes. Which Rahul? That 23, where is used Presley? Yeah. This is example I want to take. Where to use commas and brackets? I mean brackets. Which brackets? Wait. You guys are getting some little bit confusion, but I will tell you. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Step by step we can go. Okay. See, this is the code that I got from the Danny sir, and they have given to me x is equals to 30, y is equals to 70, and z is equals to tester. They have put it. See, I'm just passing here tester kind of this. So this is okay, and they have done one work like a x plus y. Yes, it is correct, and brackets. Okay, and print x plus z. See what will happen here. If I execute this code, first I will execute this one, and if I execute, you will get 100, not an issue, not an issue. But the point is that if I pass this one, I will comment this. Okay, I'll comment this, execute. See what he is saying. The name's head is not defined. Why this is happening? Because you have a head isn't big and you are passing here small. See, but see what will happen if I'm passing z here. X test. Got it? I think hope you got this point. But you know what? Need not to pass. Yes, it's case sensitive, obviously. Okay, and the point is that the brackets. Okay, we have to discuss with the brackets as well. See what will happen if I pass like this one. Um, suppose I want I want to go with see this variables. Don't forget these variables and see what I'm going to do here. My value is okay. This is my string, whole string. I'm not assigning any variable here, but this is my whole string. And you know what I have to do? Just comma here, x pass. Once again comma, once again double quote. I'm just passing here. My x value is colon, and this is my x. My y value is colon, and this is why I'm just passing here y here. But the point is that I want to show my answer. So you have to do So answer is, so answer is, you have to just pass it down there. What? Addition? No, that is why you have to just pass comma x plus y. That's it. Let's check out it is working or not. See, this is my string. These are the variables. I'm just not, this is not an concatenation. This is an addition. See, my value is x is 30 because we have already assigned 30 here, and y is an 70, and so answer is x plus y. This is 100. Okay, got it. Still we haven't worked on the, string. Don't get confused about that. We have to work on the string as well. We have worked on the only floating values. So the mixed format, if I'm using the float and integer, what will happen? That is the question. One value is an integer and one value is an what? Float. So what will happen? So let's concentrate on the cell now, and we'll discuss on it. Now, if suppose I will take C1 is equals to, int, and sorry, input the value from the user, enter the integer value. So you guys just it looks like an fast, then please tell me. Okay, I will go slow. Okay, no problem. Are you getting my points here? So C1, this is my integer, and floating values, and this is C2. And now we have to do addition. See, the last half an hour I'm doing only addition, but every addition has some different concept. Okay, so always exercise is important. This is float and this is my integer, so definitely I will execute with the floating value. So print, and I will just pass my answer is colon, and I will do C1 plus C2 and then execute. Okay, so let's go for the some integer value. Okay, you guys are thinking about, I'm not passing here a float. Okay, sorry for that. But don't worry, it is not considerable in the code, but because we have used here float, I'm just passing here 30, and this is my float value, right? So 3.3, or as I said, 3.33. Okay, so what is answer? What will be the answer? Can anyone? 33.33. Is it correct? Right. So I'm just executing. This is my answer. And some people are thinking about this is why this is happening. This is a string, no, so don't worry about this. Okay, why we have used comma before C1? Where? This one, this is a syntax of print, because if suppose you can pass with the, suppose if I'm using like this one, okay, plus and execute 20 and 2.2, see, can only concatenate the string, because we cannot do the concatenation here. Got it? Are you? And you guys are thinking about what we have done here, why this is taking the plus here. You know what? Because z is in my string and x is also string, that is why he's done the concatenation. Here we have to do a concatenation, not in concatenation. This is my string, this is floating string value, sorry, this is integer and string value, integer and float values. This is string. He cannot do the concatenation of integer, float, and string. Are you getting my point? Yes. Hope so you got the point. No? Wait, I will tell you once again. See, wait. I want to take one variable. Yeah, just concentrate on the screen once again. I'm taking one variable. Uh, P is equals to Pune. This is my string. Okay, P is equals to Pune. So now P is having a value as a Pune. This is my string. And what will happen here? I'm just taking here P. Okay, so I'm not taking value this one. I'm just passing the comment here, and P is equals to Pune. I'm just passing here Pune. P. Just concentrate on these two lines only, and this is I'm passing the plus P. Execute. So he will do the concatenation. What will happen? He will do the concatenation. But when I pass, when I pass with the when I pass with C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 is in my integer values, no, integer and float. So how can you concatenate with the string? No, because concatenation will do only with the string plus string. Are you getting my point? Is it correct? Yes. So when I do this one, and if I pass like a 20 plus 2.2, then what will happen? Can only concatenate string, not a integer. He already said into the error. When I pass the P here, then only he works. Sorry. Then only he works. Only. Got it now? Yeah. Let's do one thing here. Let's do one thing. Okay. Uh, I will take these two inputs. Why we are putting plus sign before Pune? Where here this is for the concatenation purpose. This is for the concatenation purpose. But you guys are thinking about this one, right? He has done the addition. He hasn't done any kind of any addition. He has done the concatenation. If I put here y, see, if I put here y, what will be happen? Just check out. See, can only concatenate string, not any integer. Got it now? This is the way, and I appreciate your questions. Okay, I'm just happy for that you are having some questions in the field of means this is nothing but your concentration in concatenation is nothing but combining two strings, combining two strings, concatenation. Print. See, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. Print C1. Uh, who is that? I think who is that? Mohammed sir, I will give you one example. Just once I covered this point, I will go for the string as well, and definitely you will get every answer of your question. Definitely. Okay. Hope so. You are getting my voice. See, what will happen now? C1 plus C2. I'm just passing here 30.45, and you guys are thinking about this is integer and you are passing here string. Is it? Means this is an integer. I'm passing here float value. So what will this is float? This is float, but I have added only integer. So let's check out what will happen. See, still he never goes to the till the end. Why? Because we have assigned the integer and you are passing point value means 30.45. Okay, so once I execute, 40 is there, and now the point here I have float value, and I have, if I'm passing 30, what will happen? 70. Why? Because he is going to consider whatever the value I'm passing here, 30, he is considered as a decimal point, like a 30.0. Suppose if I'm passing 4.0, like that. Okay, this is the way you can execute the integer and floating values arithmetic operations. And not only you can do the plus means addition and all, you can do the that formula. Do you know the area of circle formula? Pi r square. Anyone knows? Maths formula. Multiple. What is the shortcut to comment multiple lines? Actually, multiple lines for the shortcut we don't have, because I can use a shortcut key for the only one line. Multiple line you can pass the triple inverted comma kind of steps. Or one thing you can do like this one, means select all and control forward slash, see, like this one. This is the, you can do the multi-line, like means he's going to put a each line comments like this. Got it? Yes. Select all and control plus forward slash. This is. Okay, see, yes, Rohan, because this is on pi r square, this is in previous session, but let's go and execute very little bit fast. Okay, see, what is the pi value here? 3.14. Okay, so I have to assign p is equals to 3.14, and now r's value, so r will take from the user. Okay, so r should be like a precision or something, so that I'm taking as a float. So float into the bracket, and you have to just pass it down there, input into the bracket, double quote, enter the value. Can't take float. Float can take an integer, but integer can't take float. Yes, is it? Yes, correct. Okay, enter the value, and then p is equals to, now the formula, no, you know the formula, radius is equals to, means rd is equals to p into r into r. I think this formula is correct, mine, because my maths is a little bit strong. That is why. So let's go for the answer. My answer is 1, comma rd. So I'm taking the little bit weird variable here, rd, like that, radius. Okay, we are calculating the radius, no, that is why. So rd I'm just passing, and once I execute, no, what will happen? Just see. I'm just passing 5, 78.5. Got it? Are we getting my points here, guys? Is very easy, no? Because you guys are thinking about this is a one line formula, and you are doing this one easiest work. See, guys, if you are going to do a daily exercise with your formulas, so many people are works on the mathematical theory stuffs and all, and daily what that logistics things and all. So what is rd? Rd is a variable. So we are storing this, whatever the values into what will come, no, p into r, that will store into the rd. That is why I'm just passing here rd. And daily logistics person and daily business person, they can do this, their formulas, whatever the stock market formulas, you can put here and pass it down through the user. So this is the easiest stuff, no? Can we do area for all shapes in one code? Yeah, you can. If you have an formula, no, you can do whatever, right? But formula is important. So let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. um, Means we have done the some arithmetic operation stuffs and all, but we haven't done any work on the string, right? That is the main thing. So I think we have to go for that. So guys, concentrate on the screen now, and we are going to work on the string. Let's work on string. So this is, you guys are thinking about, this is little bit this is completely different. No, not different. We have to use the some previous stuffs into the string as well. So let's go for that. My line is not executed. Which one? Which one? Which one? For RD. This one, this code. See, see what will happen. But I will add one cell here. I have added one cell. I will just copy this code, okay, and paste it down here. And instead of doing this one, I'll do one thing. I have made here comment and P into R into R. Got it? This is, and then I'll execute, and I'll just pass once again 5 and enter. Got it? So need not to take a variable here. It's not necessary to you just pass it down there RD. You can take any variable name. Got it? What is the syntax of program? With that, what? Please check my screen. Input, enter the integer value, enter the value, comma C plus 1. Okay. Okay. With that, I cannot run the next line. See this one. I'll just copy this code and pass in here. Taking this is, yes, this is your code now, right? May I share? You can share the code, whatever the code you are getting, no, that is okay. So I'm taking this one, execute the values. 5, enter 5.5, should be answer like a 10.5. Okay, this was, but cannot print. Yes, it's working. Can you add ND show square and triangle to the above circle program with removing the circle code? Uh, Sangarika, can you provide, means I'm not getting what you said. Can you add ND show square and triangle to the above circle program without removing the circle code? Without removing the circle code, I'm not getting. Till now, can anyone? I'm just asking to all guys. Whatever the session we have had till now, are you getting or not? Means the points. Yes, are you getting? Thank you so much for that. Actually, what happens here? Um, what happens here? Sometimes the questions are coming into the chat. No, so simultaneously I have to think with the this code and coming with the answers with the chats as well. A little bit fast, but is it still good? Yeah, I will do slow, not an issue. I will go with the slowest one, not an issue. Let's um wait. We are going to solve some codes here. Yeah, I will give you one exercise also, because you have to do. My codes are not executing. You know what, actually? So many peoples are there, and so many peoples are using their ways to execute. Okay, so don't get confused about that. This is your starting situation, and when I move continuously forward, into the coming sessions, then definitely you will become an expert in this program. I'm giving you word. Okay, so let's go for that. In Anaconda, and Python kernel and showing KSM. So many things you have to learn. Let's go for some some points. Some points. See, some yes, sir. Yeah, some you got you. Some of this says no, you are not getting. Please tell me which point you are not getting, right? Because I think your name is not Som. Please let me know what kind of problem you are getting to understand. I'm taking 1 minute to means whatever the questions you are having. Please let me know, because so many questions are there. No, so how can I just every questions I'm facing here? So it's fine. I'll let you know. Please continue. Yes. So yes, thank you so much. Uh, Prabhanshu sir, this is string I'm trying to execute. One code is getting here. Wait. I'm copying the code. Yeah. Prabhanshu sir's code here. And okay, what is happens here? What happened here? You have already added RD P into R into R. You have to pass here RD. And you know what happened here? You haven't passed P's value. The radius means pi's values. Okay, what is the value of pi? 3.14. Is it correct? So if suppose if you run it down like your code, if you run it down like this one, what will happen? If suppose if I pass the only R, actually you are using same variables that I have executed. So what will be happen? I'll change the variable names. Okay, I will use the t and pi's value is a pi, because I'm having same variable names. No, that is why he is taking current variable values. This is t. Okay, rd is an rd1, and this is my pi, and this is t, this is t. Okay, this is your code actually, Prabhanshu sir. Okay, and if I execute this one, what will happen? See, the name pi is not defined. Why this is happening? Because you haven't passed a static value to pi, because you have to pass the pi's value, no, like this one, 3.14. Are you getting my point here? Okay, and second thing, you have added here pi into t, and you are into rd1, but you are not using this rd1 here. See, you can work like this one. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So check out the variable names, because that is the important thing. Hope so you got the all the points. And you know, daily you have to work on the various examples, like some mathematical formulas, arithmetic operations, like that. Let's move forward. Okay, so execute, just concentrate on your screen here, and we are going to work on the string. So string you can assign like suppose city is my variable, no, so city, and I'm passing here city Pune. City is equals to Pune. Okay, that's it. Means You guys are thinking about this is the only defining the string. Yes, print. I'm just passing here type, double quote, and city. See, this is the string. Okay. Yes, sir. Definitely. We have to take a one teaching assistant as well. Thank you so much for that advice. Definitely, I appreciate your advice. Thank you. Okay. City is equals to Pune and print type city. But the point is that, but the point is that, if suppose if I do like if I do like this one, double quote, and my city name is like this one, and do the comma and pass the city. Okay, my city name is, this is my complete string. I never assigned any string here, means variable string here. I have assigned here variable city is equals to Pune, and once I execute this one, you just, my city name is Pune. This is the way, means, see, colon. Yeah, you can, it is not necessary to pass a colon. This is whatever the things you are passing into the double quote, no, that is kind of string. So you can pass like this one also. This is not an issue because this is kind of formatting. Okay. So if suppose city is equals to city is equals to Mumbai, sorry, Mumbai, and name is equals to um, Hina. Okay, name is equals to Hina. So you know what I have to do? Print double quote. My name is comma name. Only inverted commas is important. Yeah, you have to do inverted commas as well. My name is name, and now my sorry double quote. My city is like this. Just comma and city. So my name is name and my city is city, and now let's go and execute. See, my name is Hina because this one, and my city is Mumbai. This one because city is containing the Mumbai, no, and name is containing the Hina value. So that is why we are getting the values like this one. So don't get confused about how it's taking the values. You know, one thing I would like to tell you. See, if I put the uh, wait, yes sir, Francis sir, you can say your any question if you have. Okay, my name is name and I said just city. Okay, if I execute this the way I'm just passing the variable names, the name comma and city like this, so what will happen? See, my name is Hina comma means Hina and Mumbai. So what is the easiest work here we got here? See, this is the string, constant means static string, and this is nothing but your variable. This variable is taking variable name of this Mumbai. That is why if you pass like that, my info like this one, then that this is the way we can get the my info like this. Okay, this is the way you can execute. Hello Francis sir, you can give the any question. Want my city to come on the next line. Okay, see, you just pass it down. Wait, I will do for you this one. Mhm. Sorry. Got it? Are you getting a point, Francis? Sir, you got this point? Yeah, great. Slash n is nothing but next line, means you have to go with the next line of the code, because you can pass here also. This one, see, that will be comes into the next line of code. So now the question is that, does the T also works for the tab? Yes, so many stuffs. Actually, this is a little bit working with the some formatting words, but these stuffs like you know, we I will share some points as well, Francis sir. Definitely. Same as a C++. Yes, little bit same as a C++, but C++ is in, we have to do a heavy coding there. But here we are doing in a single, means 3 to 4 lines of code. Easiest work, right? So Priyanka says that she should take the value from the user. Is it correct? Yeah. See, I will take the value from the user now. City is equals to input into the bracket, enter the sorry, enter the city, and into the print, enter the print, my city name is not Priyanka, Priyank. Oh, sorry. Sorry for that. Understand, please. I appreciate. Okay, my city name is city. Sorry for that. I taken the name. My city name is city, and I have to pass here Pune. What happens? Pune. Is it correct? Got it? Everyone, you can take the name as well. This is. Thank you so much. Okay, so the point is not like a taking the value from the user. The point is that how the value we are using, means if I am taking the value, you can, means the way you are using. Okay, so see, the my name is city, and means my city name is city. You are passing not an issue, but the point is now how I'm using a string here. See how I'm using a string. Is this way to read a file and do the computation? Yes, we can do, not here. When we go for the when we go for pandas working, no, in the data science, pandas library is there, and that time definitely we do the reading files and doing the some computation work. Definitely, you didn't write a string before input. No need to write, because as I previously said, see the good question here, you didn't write a string before input. See, previously said, whatever the value you are taking from the keyboard, means by the user, that comes as a string. But if you want to convert these values, if you want these values for, as a integer and float, you have to convert. But string as a string, you can take a string. Okay, now got it. Thank you. Okay, now see, we are going to do one thing here. Uh, name is equals to name is equals to Pune. No, no, no. I'm not taking Pune. Name is equals to mouse is hardware. Okay, I'm just taking random what string. Okay, so don't get this is a little bit funniest work. Name is equals to mouse is a hardware like that. Okay, mouse is a mouse. I know. Now, so now what we'll do here? This is string. No, this is string. Okay, and you know what I'm going to do name into the bracket. I'll pass here 0. Okay, the name into the bracket, I'm passing 0, and when I execute now, what will happen? Just see the answer. And oh, sorry, spelling mistake is there. Okay, hardware, HARD. Thanks for that. Okay, print name 0. So you guys are thinking about why I'm passing a 0 and he is giving us a M, because this is nothing but string indexing. This is nothing but string indexing. So this is, it's good, means string indexing and all, but the point is that the question is now what is, yeah, it's array, yeah, it's array indexing. As is, sir, it's like an array. This is an array. uh, this is actually what happens, but I will tell you. So many questions now rising, because when I get the new thing, no, that time definitely you are having so many questions now. See, the first I will take the question of Pooja. Okay, can you please tell how to put two strings in a one line and while printing? Yes, I will tell you. Wait, already we have done, but I will tell you first. You okay? See, uh, AB is equals to keyboard and BC is equals to computer. This is two my strings. Print AB plus BC. This is your answer. Got it? This is the easiest work, right? But the point is that you want some space between that, no? You want some space between the strings. What will happen? So you guys are thinking about why this is you are passing here plus sign and you are getting the not an addition. This is a string, no? This is string. Okay, and you know what happened? I'll do one thing. Space. Yes, concatenation. Space. Got it? Space, space. AB, space, plus, space, BC. AB is nothing but keyboard. BC is nothing but computer. That's it. Let's go and execute. What happened? Invalid syntax. Why this is invalid syntax? Because I'm not passing here comma. Now, got it? Because this is variable, no? Comma, double quote, space. If suppose if I pass like this one, you will get it like this one. This is, got it, everyone? See, if I'm passing like this one, because this is the space of string, this is also space of string. This is the way you can do the execution. Hope you guys got the point. And if you didn't, okay, let's we go for the one more thing. If we write print AB comma BC, then also space will come. Yes, yes, but we have to do like this one. This one means like AB. Suppose if you have pass then also. But you know, if you increase and making the spaces between that, you just go with that. Yes, Monica, this is your correct code. Okay, let's go for indexing. So guys, you have to concentrate on screen. This is new point, and don't get confused. Francis sir is the question. Which question? Francis sir. But you didn't define the array. Yes. Wait, I'll tell you one thing. See, first thing, this is a string first. The Python has four types of arrays, array collections. Python has four types of array collection. Okay, Francis sir, this is for you. Okay, and still we haven't worked on the clear topics of four types. There still we haven't worked on. There we haven't worked on these four types array collection. This is our array indexing, means string indexing. You just think as a string indexing. Okay, so let's go for that, because some of the questions also will. So these are the four types. What type of four types? List, tuple, sets, and which one last? Dictionary. Okay, these are the four types. So we haven't done this one, so don't get confused about. Let's move for this one. This is our string. No, you can consider as an array, because array starts from the zeroth element. So whenever I get the, if I want to get m, no, that time I just want to put here 0. That's it. Array is a group of elements, similar data types, similar data points, group of elements. I will tell you when I go with these array collections. Don't get confused. Just concentrate on this one. Don't get concentrate on this point. Okay, here now just think and concentrate on this point. Let's go for this. Name 1, execute, you will get a 0. Name 2, you will get a u. So you guys are thinking about how I'm getting name 2 as a u. See what happens. This is a string, no? So we are going to do a slicing of strings. So what? I'm going to slice down the string. I want only mouse. Suppose I want only mouse. So what I have to do? Let's check out the values here. M is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Space is my 5. And in this string, space also count. In this field, space also count. Let's check out if I want to fetch mouse only. Let's check out. 0 colon, what I have to pass? 5. So guys, Monica ma'am also given the answer of 0 colon 5. The 0 to 5, this is nothing but range. Okay, this is nothing but range. So with this range, we are fetching the values. But what happens here? Your value is starting from the m, no? Your value is starting from the 0th element. 0th element is in my m. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I am passing here 5, so your answer should be like mouse. So how I am getting this one? Slicing. Why he is not taking this one? This concept is nothing but n minus 1. What will n minus 1? Whatever the last value you are passing, no, that will not be included. That will be excluded. So how it possible? Let's take another one example to you. Okay, let's take. Suppose I want to take only is. I want to take only e's. Let's can anyone give me the answer? How can I fetch the e's only? Francis, you have given 7 to 8. Okay, let's check out. Is it possible or not? I'm giving 7. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my 6. No, this is my 6. So I have to pass here 6 because starting point is in 6. Oh, like, oh, so many answers are getting. Thanks you. I'm appreciating your answers. Thank you so much. And 6 and ending with 6, 7, and this is nothing but 8. So you have to pass here what? Got it, guys? Is it correct? Yeah. So this is the easiest work, guys. I think once you get this point, then definitely this is kind of considerable point, right? Got it? Not. Wait, I'll take a one more example to you. One more example. Okay, one more. So consider we should consider this one. Let's give me the answer of hardware. Okay, give me hardware. How can you give the hardware point? So many answers are there. So many. Let's check out one thing. Hard. What is the position of that H? Okay, H. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. H is into 9 now. Okay. So I'll just put it here 9. So guys, so many people are giving the answer like this one. Oh, 9, 9. Okay, means almost everyone is incorrect here 9. And now 9, 1, 9, sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you guys are thinking about, is it possible to 16 here? I am passing here 16. See, hard war. So I'm not getting your hardware. So why this is happening? Because your passing is 16. No, because E is in 16th position. So what will be happening here? Because n minus 1 will be applicable. So that you have to do one thing here. You just passed here 17th ending point. So definitely it will work hardware. But sometimes what will happen if you remove this one? It works like an infinity loop, like that. Means 9 to all, like this one. It works like this. Why no error message? No, actually it's work like an because if you pass down some suppose like wait, I will tell you how it possible. Means you are thinking about error not showing because it's like an infinity loop. No, he's not showing you range like means limited range. Got it? 3 to 1. What if range ends with the big number like 100, and although we just have an 17? See, this is your answer like that. It's not, he will not give you any kind of error. He works like an infinite loop. It goes the last value till the last value, and whatever the last value should be there, he gives the answer. Monica ma'am, it's correct. Got it, everyone? But still, you guys haven't get in one point here. I will tell you. Wait. I will tell you. See, if I remove the 9 here, Wait, I will copy this one and come to the next one. Okay. If I copy this one and I will remove no 9, removing the 9. This is nothing but what? I'm not passing starting point. I'm not passing ending point. So he considered as a starting point is an zeroth element and ending point is an till the value are present there. Means it's kind of infinity. Means till the end. Where there is a value, no, till then he will show the values. But but if I pass the if I pass the 5 here, what will be your answer? Can anyone? Mouse? Who is answer? If sentence have 100 words, it works till sentence have then it combination of 100 words. No, it depends upon your it depends upon your conditions you are passing into the print function. Mouse. Oh, so many answers. Okay. See. If I execute no mouse and okay, got it. Everyone got it the point. And I think Shubham sir is giving E only. So why E? Because see what is there. If I want that only E, no, I have to pass only this one. Oh, fifth position is in blank. No, that is why we are not getting this one. So if I want E only, you just pass 4 E. This is the way you can get. To get a fourth value, can I use the from 3 and get the next like a 3 to 1 like string function and C++? To get the fourth value, can I use from 3? Yes, see. If I copy this one, thank you, Shubham. Okay. See, uh, the point now. If I want only SE, or suppose US, this one only US, okay, I have to do only these things. Means 0 1 2, you just pass 2 colon and range would be there. 0 1 2 3 4. Who is in fourth position now? E. So that's it, you have to do like this one. US. Still I am not getting any that interactive question like that. Means interactive means the most important question, why I'm slicing this one, right? The question means why we have to slice this, because wait, I will tell you. Because name. Yes, still we are not proceeding towards the negative values. This is in positive slicing, and still we haven't means we haven't gone through the negative slicing. Wait, I want to take a city. Okay, city. This is my variable. Okay, city, and you know what I'll do here? Can do my city name, comma, sorry, comma, city. And you know what actually? USA. Okay. So I'll put here 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. So see what I'm doing here? Extracting. Yes, extracting, fetching, slicing my words here. So which word? The name containing here 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 is nothing but 0, 1, 2, and 3 is my space. So I'm fetching the space and storing into city keyword. This is my variable. So that variable I'm storing here, means using here. So once I execute no, definitely I will get this one. My city name is USA. Actually, city is not. Actually, I have to pass here country, but my city name is city means USA. Are you getting my point? How to fetch, how to extract the particular strings from the complete line, a portion of string, portion of values, kind of stuffs. Got it? And you know what? What is the use of this? Means taking the values from the into the city. You can fetch. You can use this city means variable anywhere into the program. Once you store the values into the city, no, so city will means reserve for this USA. As we are going to store into the value, storing the values into the particular variable. This is the interesting stuff here. But the point is that if I'm taking the values with the name, then what will happen? I will take another one example to get one important stuff here. And with this example, I'm taking the negative indexing as well. So let's check out what will happen here. Okay. So I'm taking case as a variable, and I am happy person, like this. I'm a happy person. Okay. This is my whole string, and that is storing into the one variable. But the point is that if I want to fetch last some words, what will happen? Yes, sir, Shubham, sir, definitely. I will show you, no problem. What will happen? See, because today we have done a lot of work with the code, so definitely I will tell you. Print, and if I say case into the bracket, and if I pass the -1, what will be answer? Because I worked on the only positive signs. I never worked on the negative signs values, negative values. So that you know what will happen. And this is nothing but your negative indexing. The -1 is starting from the n, and whenever I pass the positive value, that will, this is my space actually. He printed space because positive value started with the 0th position, means 0th element, and negative value starting with the n. This is -1, this is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like this one. The range starts negative indexing towards this one, and positive values start with the towards this one, but he's starting with the 0, and in the negative indexing starting with the n. Got it? Still we haven't done any example towards the negative indexing because we have a limited time. But in the next session, tomorrow session, we go with the negative indexing slicing as well. Are you getting my point, everyone? Because today we had a huge questionnaires, right? And these are the basic questions as well, because some peoples are new, some peoples already they have know about this one because previously some sessions they attended. But I have tried so much with giving you answer. Hope you got the all the answers. Yes or no? I tried, but don't worry about this. Can we change any number of by using this code? And yeah, definitely in the next session, coming sessions, no, definitely I will try with the some more examples to get you. Yes. Prabhanshu sir, because coming sessions we have to work on the four arrays also, means that list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. But hope so. Today's session, you got the point. These are the basic things. Don't worry. It looks like and means little bit tricky work and all. But as we move forward, no, definitely you will get better with the exercise, right? But you have to do a practice, definitely. But you have to do a practice. Yes, I will put here one more assistant to you to give the answers. Once show the line number 23. Yes, 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 yes. 23, 23. Yes, actually this one, right? And whenever if you have an issue, no, put it down into chat, because without any your question, how can I solve the problems, right? Can we get some notes, please? Yeah, I will share this line, means this basic part of this one, because I'm trying to give the all the answers, but sometimes some missing. No, that is why. Are you going to give assignment? Yeah. The assignment examples I will give you. Try to work on the maths problems. Means I will share with the groups. Means with the groups. Okay. I will create one assignment or examples and share with the WhatsApp groups. I think you have groups, right? And with that groups, I will share. Not an issue, because it will take a time to create problems, no questionnaires. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much all. uh, Hope you enjoyed this one session. And last 2 hours, this is a very deep, right? So thank you so much. Thanks for, we need to talk to the career era management to discuss student issues after this class. Yes, 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 yes. Please share assignment. Yes, sure. Ah, thank you so much, guys. See you in our next class. See you tomorrow session. Definitely, I will come to you and we are going to enjoy some more sessions. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. It was good to see you and it was nice teaching. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate your uh, this comments. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Ave.
Yes,
Once the
yes,
session
sir.
is done with you, please let me know. Solve this.
Sorry, sorry, sir. A voice.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Once you are done with the session, kindly let me know. Okay.
Yeah, just we have. Yes, sir. We have done the session. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So may I take over from you for
Yeah,
five
you can,
minutes?
sir. You can continue, sir.
For five, just for 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi guys, this side Kumar Sora. I guess many of you must know me, your program manager for data science. First of all, I'd like to know how was the session today with Ave sir? Was it good? Okay. That's very nice. Very nice. So I got a request from most of the, participant to enable the chat part that we are going to do from tomorrow onwards in your training session. Okay. Regarding the mic problem, I'd like to address that, it's just because of you guys, we have received some complaint that, It's create disturbance when many of the participant leave their mic turned on. So it create disturbance in the training. So what we have decided, see, we don't have any problem in turning on the mic, right? But what we have decided at the end of the training, the last 10 to 15 minutes, we have asked our faculty to keep it for the doubt session part so that you can ask any query, you know, any questions you have. Is that okay, or you want us to, simply unmute yourself for entire training duration? It's entirely upon you. What you want, please let me know. Abhay, you can make them, unmute. You can just grant them the access because you are the host here.
Yes, yes. No.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, then, now you guys can uh, let me know. And one thing more, in case in the future you are facing any kind of issue, any kind of doubt, you can write to us at support@careera.com. I'm writing the chat box, support@careera.com. Okay. In case you want to connect with me personally or on the faculty issue, on your LMS part, you can write to me at kumar.saurav@careera.com. Okay. In case you want to connect with your faculty, you can write to abhay@careera.us. Okay. From today itself, the classes is on time. We sincerely apologize if in case you have faced any kind of issue. Okay. There was some communication gap with some of the student yesterday that the class is going to resume from yesterday onwards. But I guess everybody has got the mail that we are going to resume the class from today. So we have updated the email ID also of the participant, those who have not received the communication from our side. Right. The class video of this every lecture, not of this lecture only, of any lecture will be uploaded within 12 hours of your live class. Okay, so that you can access all the recordings before the next class. This is our, best possible attempt that we can make. And regarding, any if Abhay sir is going to share any kind of notes, any books, that also we are going to upload that file in your LMS. Understood? So, we are working, our support team is working 24 hours round the clock to help you in any manner we can. Okay. The classes will be on scheduled time as per schedule from today itself, from tomorrow, again the same timing. I guess there was a delay of 5 minutes because Abhay sir was finding it difficult to connect with us. It's raining very heavily. That's why, there was some problem with us on the internet side. Nothing much. Okay. Thank you so much for choosing us. And from tomorrow, again, classes will be on the regular basis. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Be safe and happy learning. Away, you may take over from me in case they have any questions they can ask you. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.